Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Good to have you here again. Thank you so much for your love and your support. So today I'm taking you how to create this beautiful red ombre lips. So guys, sit back and relax. If you're ready to join this family, hit the subscription button, comment, like and share this video, okay? And here we've come to the end of the tutorial, guys. I'm so glad. Thank you so much for staying with me. Look at this beautiful red lips. Like, I know you love it. So please kindly comment below what you think about this beautiful lip tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, like and share this video, and yes, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new video, okay? So guys, bye till I see my next video.